Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kailee.
And what are we cooking today, Kay?
Chicken nugget.
Chicken nuggets. Okay. Who asked for this?
I did.
You did? Really? Because, okay, here's true story. Kailee always wants chicken fingers, chicken nuggets every time. I'm sure you can relate. I'm sure you have kids that relate. So I thought there has to be an easier way to, and a healthier way to make these chicken nuggets. So we decided we would. But did you know, Kailee, who invented chicken nuggets? Oh, go ahead, say it. What are you saying?
McDonald.
No, but close. Actually, it was a food scientist named Robert Baker, and he was from Cornell University, and he invented them, I think in the 70s, and then in the 80s, McDonald's trialed them, which means they kind of launched them early to see if tested them. And then in '83, they launched them worldwide, and they became what, a hit, right?
Yeah, a hit.
And now everybody loves chicken nuggets, right?
Mm-hmm. And Stephanie too.
Yeah, and your friend Stephanie wants them every week, right? A couple times a week.
I say nope, not today.
Okay, so anyways, let's go. What are we cooking? So we are cooking easy chicken nuggets, and we have, what are the ingredients?
We have chicken beef,
Ground chicken.
ground chicken,
We have
oatmeal,
oats that are a 5-minute kind. The spices I
the
put,
spices. We have salt,
and
Parmesan cheese,
Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs.
and breadcrumbs.
Okay, so I put all the spices together because when Kailee and I practiced this recipe, we found that it was really hard for her to get in, but it's easier for her to just scoop or just dump. So we're gonna show you all that in a minute. We are going to use a couple of appliances today. Today we're going to use the food processor. So that'll be exciting, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let me get that set up over here. The food processor. And okay, the food processor, I don't like to touch it. Next step is putting in the oatmeal, and this is the 5-minute oatmeal that cooks in 5 minutes. Good job. And go ahead and put the spices. Good job. Okay, now show them how I showed you how to measure out it. We need a half a teaspoon of salt. So you're gonna use what? 2 things you're gonna use,
So
right?
we need enough.
And then you can
Spray it.
scrape it off.
Scrape
Right?
it
Scrape
off.
it off. Okay. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna process this, and this goes on. We want to make sure this is on there tight, right? You're gonna feel it. No, don't press the button yet. Is the lid on? How tight it has to lock?
Yep. Lock.
Lock it. You hear it?
Lock it.
You hear the click? Okay, we plugged it in. All right, we're gonna unplug it, right? Because when we're doing it, we don't want to touch anything, right?
No.
Okay, so now we can kind of move this out of the way and move on to the next step. Kailee, will you dump these are breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. Hand me that bowl. And dump the Parmesan cheese and just stir it up a little bit. Mix it up a little bit. Okay. All right. Good job. Now we're gonna switch positions. You're gonna do this part. Okay, this is a cookie scooper, but I figured Kailee, it's easier for Kailee to use. So she's gonna use that. We're going to make our chicken nuggets. Okay. You roll it or coat it in the breadcrumbs and then put it down, and then I just slice it, flatten it a little bit. Okay. Make sure they're only that size, Kay. Okay. See, it goes pretty fast, and it's good to have a partner, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you can have.
You like making cookie dough or something.
No, it's not cookie dough, it's chicken, and you definitely don't want to eat it because there's salmonella poisoning. So, and you have to wash everything very well, right?
Yep.
But you're doing good. I like that. And then we're going to use an air fryer, you guys. We got a new appliance. Woohoo! We're going to try that out.
You can buy it at Walmart.
You can buy it at Walmart. I think we got ours at Target. Okay, we finished making the chicken nuggets, and now Kaylee's gonna spray them with olive oil or cooking spray, whatever you want to do. Go all the way around, Kay. There you go. Good job. Okay. Okay, so we wanted to mention that you can also cook it in the oven, 375 temperature for 15 minutes. And we did try that, right? But it came out, we had to keep putting on the broiler and all that to kind of get them to be crispy and brown the way I like them, or the way we like them. So then we thought we would try the air fryer. So we're brand new to an air fryer. This is gonna be only our 3rd time using it. So this is how I'm doing it, but I thought it would be easy for Kaylee. So Kaylee, wanna line those up on here? On the tray, just put them all on there. Now, and we did things a little bit different so it would be easier for her, because my goal is to try to make sure she can at some point cook with a companion, cook by herself, know what she's cooking. So we gotta make things that'll be easier for her. So we kind of really stack them up on here, right?
I have a companion.
I know you have a companion. All right, wait, you can't go on top of that. So, all right, then we're gonna put it in the pan, the basket of the fryer. Air fryer, so they're all in here as you can see. I'm not waiting until the air fryer says add food. I'm just going to put it in there because that's just the way I did. I figured it would be easier for Kaylee that way. So if we plug it in. So then we're going to set it. So see over here, Kay? Here, you get over there so I can, you have to hit air fry, and then we're gonna do it 375 for, we need it for 10 minutes. Oops, time, 10 minutes. I'm gonna say 9 because we're gonna let it start with the cooking, with the, because we're not waiting for the preheat, we're just gonna go. So hit start. Like Kaylee grabs the ones that have cooked out of the air fryer. I wanted to repeat that we use the air fryer. This is our 3rd time using it, and we shortened the cooking time to 9 minutes because I didn't preheat it and I did not turn them. So I figured it would be hard for Kaylee to do all of those steps, so I just let her go right in there, and I think they came out perfectly fine. I did want to mention that if you do not have an air fryer, like we did not, you can cook them in the oven, 375, 15 minutes, and if they're not as brown as you like them, you can put them under the broiler for 2 minutes. All right, what do you think, Kay?
Good.
And that you can also freeze these, you all, so you can take them and freeze them and pop them in the oven and or the air fryer for a couple of minutes and heat them up.
If you like our video, give us a thumbs up if you like our video. If you have another recipe, can you send it to me and my mom for next time?
Yeah, send us those recipes. We hope that you enjoy our easy chicken nuggets. I thought that it's a great practical food because everybody loves chicken nuggets, and we're teaching Kaylee and the kids to cook, so why not? So stay tuned for next week. We're gonna have desserts coming next week. Yeah, I see you doing that. Yummy desserts. Anyways, create, cook, and talk. Encourage learning while creating yum.
So bye.
Bye.